So this is the next spillover point. Right here the lava might come out on our road here that we are biking, and we'll run that way. There is also some space to go up there, but there you have a kind of big hill, so it's likely to just, it will go by this road exactly. We'll come a bit closer and I will show you the spillover point where it's about to spill. Here we are on the Meradalir off-road, and here you see the monster coming out from the valley. This is the point of spillover, right here. There is a volcano in Meradalir, and lava will pop out here from the valley. It will go on our road here, and it will run towards the ocean. You see, towards the ocean that way. It's a small uphill here, but a very little one, so it won't be difficult for the lava to find its way to the ocean. We will come closer here and take a look. Here a road bypasses around the mountain. This is just Meradalir road to volcano, 12 kilometers. We are at the 6 kilometer here from the parking lot. Here it makes small offshot and it's going straight to the lava field, and that's where we go now. You see, we'll run on this road exactly where I'm biking. We are biking to the lava. This road is likely to be flooded very soon, and it will never see the sun. Here is a lot of mud. You see, it's Icelandic moss. So we will come closer to the lava here, so you would have idea what is going on here. This is the spillover point. Lava is pushing here and it's coming here. It came a lot of it from this volcano already a lot of it, and here it's very shallow. They really have to make a wall here or something if they want to stop the lava from coming to the ocean. Where we have the national highway, Vegur. Here they did some works already, you see. They had been, or no, this is just the lava was pushing. This is just the lava was making, I don't think there had been any excavators here. This fresh lava that arrived here from this volcano, you see, it had been pushing the ground like a bulldozer. You know, lava does this. It is a big bulldozer, natural bulldozer that is pushing the ground. So it's trying to get out here. It will get out here very soon from the valley, and will flood our biking trail. Our biking trail is under the threat of this monster. So we go uphill here. I'll show you the volcano there, which is not very far. There you see it, the monster volcano. Still shooting lava pretty high. My idea now is just to bike a little bit more behind this second mountain there, and then walk to the volcano just behind the second mountain. It's about 2 kilometers. But here lava is pushing out of the valley. It's pretty obvious, as you see. This very shallow passage here, this is the most shallow passage from the valley, and then it's pretty straightforward. So, and then it hits our biking trail over there. You know, see the bikers. So this is a spillover point. Lava didn't make it through yet, but it's on the verge. It's very close to spillover here. So I'll keep you updated when it will eventually spill over into the next well here. This is the borderline here where those two guys are standing. So there came a lot of new lava here. All this black thing is a new lava, you know, that arrived here from the volcano by the rivers, lava rivers. You see. So this is what is going to happen here. Just a bit more lava and our road, there's no more. Alright, we keep going.